Sanibonani guys, njengoba ubheke le video kusho khona ukuthi unesifiso sokuthuthukisa ulwazi lwakho nokubona izinto ngendlela elula ku forex ngoba mina ngupresident wama slow learners. Ngiyazama ukuthi uma umuntu enendlela yokufunda difficult noma efunda kanzinyana, ngizama ukuthi ngibreake into ibe lula ukuze sonke singezukusalela ngaphandle ekutholeni ulwazi ngalento abayibiza ini iforex. Uma ufisa ukungena emaklasini amahala free of charge, kulula uthatha inamba yami ku bio yami lapha ya ku Facebook ngubongani Zungu official 1, inamba yami khona 0813345839 yabo. Na ku TikTok ngubongani Zungu official 1, inamba yami khona ku bio. Uqaphele ama scammers angenzi ama investment, ayikho imali engidimanda emntwini, yonke into engiyenzayo imahala ha. Angithi alright sharp. So njoba sikhona ke la ku YouTube kade ngenze ivideo edlulile ukuthi ama active supply zone nama active demand zone siwabona kanjani guys. So ngeke ngasho ngathi i-active supply yethu sizoyibona ngokuthi sibake ini nayi rectangular yethu, then bese sithatha nje from the middle part yayo and then until to the high, iyona izone evame ukuba active kakhulu leyo. Same thing applies lana kuma demand zone. So siyenza ukuthi ipart ibe active kakhulu yipi, from the middle line going down to the low kube yona part active kakhulu, then bese siyamaka masiqedileke bese siya delete ama rectangular wethu, then sesinawo ama active zone wethu yabo. Njengoba ubona lana yonke into lana yenzeka phakathi nendawo, mawubheka from here up until here, iyo le move behamba between i-supply ne-demand, angithi yabona. So lana ungasho ukuthi babuzungu mara nalana kwenzeka into efanayo nala, yes true, but uma ngabe si in the middle then uyazi ukuthi okay it was a continuation of a trend. So nakhona siyakwazi ukuthola ini our mini supply in the middle ngoba i-trend isuke isaqhubeka ishona kuphi, ishona phansi. Wena nje into kumele uyiqaphele ukuthi uma ngabe sivala below ama green dots, yes izone yethu leyo iba really active because that is a high participation zone. Noma ila khona ama bears abe active khona kakhulu nama bulls kwagcina kunqoba abantu abathize between ama bulls nama bears. So manje sifuna ukubona ukuthi okay besingangena kuphi. Alright, so niyazi ke guys ukuthi ngokwe inqubo esifunda ngayo emaklasini amahala, i-moving average yethu niyayazi yonke. Umngani wethu omkhulu uyena osiza usibona ukuthi now is the time ukuthi singakwazi ukungena. So ungabheka leli khandlela livale ngaphansi komngani wethu, emveni kokuba kube nomshuduliswano omkhulu noma impi enkulu kule zone yethu le, sagcina silitholile ikhandlela elivala ngaphansi kwe-moving average. Sayibona ngempela imakethe iphelelwa ngamandla ishona phansi, angithi niyabona le nto leyo. And then kwazameka kwabuya, then sabona futhi ikhandlela lethu livala ngaphezu yile fiver i-moving average yethu naya ivala ngaphezulu ikhandlela, angithi niyalibona. And then after sithole ini ama week ambadlwanyana kuphi la ku fair value gap, sayibona ngempela imakethe ingathi iba namandla kodwa yavimbeleka. Ivinjwa yini? Ivinjwa ile ndawo le, ile zone le, angithi niyabona le nto leyo. So bekunani la, ingani ngafikanga lapha kule ndawo yethu ye-supply. Khumbulani guys, sithe kunani kune fair value gap, angithi yabo. Ngathi ungayibeka kanje noma mina ngithatha lonke ikhandlela le fair value gap yabo, kusukela la liqala khona lize liyophela khona, ngishiye abangani balo ongapha ku left ongapha ku left nalo ngapha ku right, ngoba lona yini is a bearish fair value gap. So yabona imarket ukuthi ijike khona nqo lapha ya kuleli yakhandlela, ngithi niyabona guys. Futhi uma nizobhekisisa ngapha on the right nizobona ukuthi this zone really there was something interesting about this zone, angithi yabo. There was something interesting about this zone. Many bigger, we had rally, base, and then rally, and then the market yashona phezulu. So this was a very zone imarket la ya contesta kakhulu khona i-price between ama bears nama bulls guys. So that is why siyibona imarket rejecta la. So kubalekile guys ukuthi ubuke ukuthi yini beyenzeka kwa left ukuze ukwazi ukuthatha i-decision kuphi kwa right, angithi yabona. So okuningi asizukukhuluma ke ngakho sizobheka nje ukuthi okay here there was a left and then nangapha kwa right sibheka nje ngifuna ukubheka nje la kuma weeks kuphela sibone ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Okay, same thing applies nala, ngizobheka nje la kuma weeks sibone ukuthi ikhona yini into ebesingayicosha emarket. Angithi kwamanje sale phansi, so ngizobheka ama bears kuphela sibone ukuthi ikhona yini into ebesingayicosha kuphi emarket. Nayi nalana fair value gap nawo ama weeks akhona, yabo ikhona yini into ebesingayicosha emarket. Alright sharp guys, asehleni ke siyobona ukuthi ukhona yini ebesingacosha emarket, yini ebingasitshela ukuthi siyangena. Yes, ku 30 minutes mawuzobheka sinalo ikhandlela lethu elivale below i-moving average, nalapha futhi sinalo ikhandlela elivale below i-moving average, nalapha futhi sinekhandlela elivale below i-moving average. So zonke lezinto lezi ziba yini ama entry triggers wethu ukuthi hey now we can be ready to enter. Uyabona lo nto leyo. So lana silitholile elivale below moving average, but it was not that convincing. However, we knew ukuthi i-market is still inside kuphi i-fair value gap. Yabona? Yes. So asambeni ke siyobheka ku 30 minutes sibone ukuthi yini ebesingayi ku 5 minutes. Khumbula ngitheni i-ratio yethu 1:6. So sithi ikhandlela eli-1 le 30 minutes amakhandlela awu-5 5 minutes angena kangaki ku 30 minutes. So angena 6 times, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, angena 6 times. So ngokwe ratio is 1:6. That is a very good comparison yama time frame uma ngabe ufisa ukusebenzisa le nqubo yokuthi uanalyze kwi higher time frame bese ufuna ama entry kwi time frame encane. Enye I ratio ongayisebenzisa is 1:4, okusho ukuthi uzobuza ukuthi uma uzosebenzisa i4 hours mhlawumbe uyobheka ama entry ku 1 hour time frame, mangaki amakhandlela aku 1 hour time frame, noma i1 hour time frame ingena kangaki ekhandleleni eli1 le 4 hours, or mangaki amakhandlela e1 hour ekhandleleni le 4 hours. So thini 1 2 3 4, it's 4 candlesticks enza ini ikhandlela eli1 le 4 hours. So uyakwazi ukuqhathanisa i4 hours time frame ne 1 hour time frame. Angithi ayibona lo nto leyo. Right, so asenze kanjena njengoba sesikhulumile sesichazile, asambe siyobheka ukuthi kuma weeks yini ebesingakwazi ukuyithola, yini ebesingakwazi ukuyithola ukuze isibonise ukuthi hey ziyabuya la, kungenzeka singene sehle siye phansi. Angithi yabona guys ukuthi la we kept on getting in the rejection. Angithi yabo, so we kept on getting in a rejection. Angithi yabo, so le zone le besibhekile le, so you can see ukuthi sine high ekuphi eku previous high. Yabo, if ngizofaka I horizontal line yami la, athi ngifake my horizontal line yami la ku high, so you can see I price ihlulekile ukubreaka above I high yethu e previous. Yabo, idlule ngama week yavala ngaphansi kwe high yale high le. Yabo, all right, so then sesiyabona ukuthi oh there's a rejection. Mangaka amakhandlela rejectayo la 1 2 3 4, maningi kakhulu amakhandlela lawa rejectayo. After that kwavela a big bearish candlestick. Yabo, that was an engulfing candlestick ekutshela ukuthi hey babzungu, now we are ready to go down. Now we are ready to go down. Yes, yasinikeza ini I supply demand, yasiyayiconfirma le zone yethu ukuthi no, there's a strong participation yani yama bears. Yabo, yabuya yazo retesta yaphelela kuphi ku fair value gap guys. Job iphelela ku fair value gap yakutshela ukuthi angisenawo amandla ukuqhubekela phambili, please. Yabo, mayisuka lapho yenze njani, isiyahamba vele wena ubuzobe usuyilindile la ku fair value gap yakho. Yabo, then imarket yaqhubeka yehla yashona kuphi, yashona phansi. Angithi niyayibona lo nto guys, niyayibona lo nto leyo. Right, okay, kukuphi la imarket ifike yathi ukujema khona kancane. Uma ubheka on the left uzobona ukuthi lana besinani indawo la ama bulls ebe active khona. That is why imarket yethu iyafika kanjani, yathi ukuconsolidate la. Angithi niyayibona lo nto leyo. Right, okay, asedluleni ke and then asiye futhi kwenye indawo enama lentuzana enama weeks angithi yabona sithatha indawo enama weeks la so besinale high sinale high uyabona ukuthi imarket iyahluleka nje ukubreaka la angithi yabo eventually sesiyaqala manje siyabona naya that rejection candlestick nayo and then siyabona ini that bearish candlestick then siyaqala sibona ini sivala below ini 5 moving average sivala below lama green dots njengoba ngishilo ukuthi iyayiconfirma manje le area ukuthi no ama bears lana they are very much strong in this area therefore sesiready ukuthi singakwazi ukungena for usell sihambe siye phansi njengoba iretesta la guys iphelela kuphi ku fair value gap mayiqeda melta down imarket iyehla ishona phansi angithi niyabona so iyo indlela esingakwazi ukubona ngayo ama weeks wethu ukuthi angasisebenzela yini so nakhona lana guys angithi yabo lama week wethu lapha yana imarket okay ihlulekile yabuyela mayifika lana yahluleka yaphinda iretesta futhi le zone yabo so uma sizoyibheka le zone nakhona you must always check izone yakho ukuthi kusuke kwenzakaleni yabo so mawuzobheka lana guys look at this le rejection ebila yabo so this was a strong resistance because it's break below yona and you can see that the big rejection same in this area ngithi yabo so it was a strong rejection zone yabo and then imarket iyafika la yaqala isinikeza ama bears I mean ama rejection candlesticks here sigcine ngani masifika kuleya zone nge-mother bar yabo noma inside bar here's the mother bar here's the inside bar la makhandlela ayasho ukuthi the momentum is kaput njengoba besiya phezulu therefore singalindela noma yini yabo and then sesiyawabona manje ama rejection candlestick esitshela ukuthi no we can go down here or we are going to go down so we can see sivala below ilentuzana lama green dots isitshela ukuthi la ama bears bewa participate kakhulu in this zone and as ayinqoba le zone yabo sibone ngani ukuthi le zone seyi weak kakhulu yini amakhandlela avala kuphi ngaphansi we moving average yethu isisiconfirmela vele ukuthi soya phansi and then siyangena okokuqala lana size sifike la and then siya observe mase sishayile la siyayilinda retest izobuya khona la ku fair value gap sibe sesiyilindile ukuthi sikwazi ukungena for usell sehle siye phansi angithi niyabona guys yonke lento yenzeka kuphi kule ndawo enama weeks kuphi in our special zones okay le enama week nalawa are active amazone wethu okay right asambeni siyobheka ke manje in terms of ibullish siyobheka ini ama weeks wethu ukuthi khona ingabe is it the same story is it the same scenario asibiyele ke ku 30 minutes asibiyeleni ku 30 minutes right sibheke la sibiyele ku 30 minutes let me delete this one asibiyeleni ku 30 minutes ay apha amazone wami manje guys oh nanka ya so nanka amazone wami asibiyeleni ku 30 minutes asibiyeleni ku 30 minutes right so njengoba sila ku 30 minutes guys something very interesting is happening we can see that the consolidation here is almost over and if we close above this high okusho ukuthi sizazoqhubeka mhlambe sizotesta ini i-high yale zone and then uyabona lapha ama dots wethu bewa straight sekune dot manje elithe ukusuka la phezulu okubonisa khona ukuthi the volatility yenze njani iya shifta iya phezulu ngoba ayiphi izone eactive guys izone yama bulls yabo izone yama bulls okay right asibukeleni ke sibone angithi sithe la bekune high concentration yani yama bulls noma yama buyers sathi la embedeni wethu wemali nakhona sithole iweek emnande besitshela ukuthi sinani sine rejection and then sathi nalana futhi sine week emnandi ebe confirma ini i-rejection angithi niyabona lonto le right so let's see ukuthi ke kwenzakalani and uma ungabheka nale week yabo maqondana nale it's a very nice week all right sharp asambeni ke seku 5 minutes siyobheka mhlawumbe umunye uzobuza ukuthi manjani babuzungu lena uyithathela kuphi ukuthi lena it was a strong participation. Always guys look on the left mawungabheka le zone ayithi yabona le ukuthi vele ila ama bulls bewanjani bewa stronger khona nanka ama rejection angithi yabo, and then kukuphi la esisa imarket ya rejecta khona kakhulu ngithe yini ile ya khandlela leliya le fair value gap guide nanti njoba ngithe mina ngiyathanda ukulithatha lonke ngilimake lonke ngithi nyabo nani. So ama bulls bewalokhu ehlaba below this candlestick kodwa maintainer ini I price yaleya zone leya. So asambe ke seku 5 minutes siyobona ukuthi besingakwazi ukungena. Yes babuzungu besingakwazi ukungena. Yes babuzungu besingakwazi ukungena. Asambe siyobheka. Right. Asibukeni ke. Right, let's see. Let us see. Right. Okay. So yini esibonile yenzeka la inside this zone guys. Market was pushing down, and then mayifika la iyaqala manje imarket mayifika la iyaqala manje imarket yenzani push up la yabo iyasitshela ukuthi manje okay la there's a strong participation yani yama bulls, and ama bulls athi no you cannot hit us like that sithule ngeke nishaye sithule nathi sizopusha, and then aqala nabenze njani bayipusha down le market mabefika la embhedeni wemali awu basinikeza ama week ayi2 angithi yabo sathola a bearish a bullish engulfing candlestick, sathola nice rejection, sathola an engulfing candlestick here also angithi yabo, and a very nice momentum kicked in here above this zone. So now sisiyabona ukuthi okay now we are ready to go up yabo, and then we went all the way up then masifika kule this mini high 5 minutes, that's when now siqala sithola ini ama rejection, okay, and then siyabuya sizo retesta ini le zone ngabo nakhona njalo njoba sizo retesta guys I want you to check ukuthi even if fair value gap incane ibonakali it will still do the job, so we can see here afika yahlaba yavala inside the fair value gap, sathola another week, sathola a very nice bullish candlestick, sathola now in layer rejection layer iyabuya imarket izoretesta la vele bese silindile ngoba le zone le isisiconfirmela ukuthi ama bulls are very strong. First time I push it abuya I push sathola this nice candlestick yabo, this nice candlestick bullish engulfing candlestick full of momentum telling us ukuthi hey guys siyahamba siyaphezulu, and yenzeka kuplento above this zone le engikhuluma ngayo ngithi ama bulls they were very much active and the market went all the way up angithi yabo. So same thing applies lana guys, masifika la kule zone le, so siyabona ukuthi it was not just by mistake. Uyabona i5 minutes it's even clear nakhona ukuthi okay here something happened, and then sinani futhi sine fair value gap guys athi nebo nathi fair value gap ngisho bathi mina ngilithatha lonke ikhandlela. Uyabona la ukuthi besinani ama week amaningi as well, just to show ukuthi this zone it's a bit strong, and then imarket yenze njani yakhuphuka yabuya ibuya kuyo le zone angithi niyabona guys ibuya kuyo le zone le la market beyiconsolidate khona, but kukuphi la sithole khona inock yokuthi hey le zone lena ziyakhipha, there's a strong participation yama bulls. Look at this rejection candlestick, angithi yabo, and then yeza imarket yabuya still failed to break below this rejection candlestick yabo, and everything is happening inside this zone. After that the bulls confirmed ukuthi no we are stronger here now and we are ready to push up, and obviously the market went all the way down because la sivale above lama red dots, even though besithi siyabuya we didn't come as close because sinani guys sinama weeks nakhona la, and we had a very nice bullish candlestick yabo eline momentum. Then siyazi ukuthi okay because we are in the smaller time frame, if singena la kule khandlela leli and then stop loss set somewhere la or right just below the middle part or below lama green dots we are safe, then silindele imarket isinikeze i-direction ukuthi siyahamba siyakuphi. So we would have been able to trade until sizofika kuphi kule previous high here angithi niyabona lonto guys, because masifika kule previous high you can tell ukuthi the market was showing the signs ukuthi no, I am struggling to go up, I am going to shoot down kuphi kule 15 minutes. So guys, ama weeks akhuluma indaba, ungawa underestimate. Go and check those weeks and see ukuthi zona zikutshela ini, bese uyakwazi ukwa trader ngendlela emnandi nawe ezokwazi ukukunikeza ini inzuzo, angithi yabo. So even though we did the retracement there, still you can see ukuthi we came back to the same zone la ama bulls bawa participator khona. Yabona that there's a huge gap. There was a gap down, so you can go and Google what is a gap down and yenzeka makwenzakalani emarket yabo. Now sorry guys, and then we started getting these wicks yabo, and then we got these rejection candlesticks also, and above our moving average we'll get a nice bullish candlestick and a savala above the red dots, and that was a confirmation with ama bulls. They are really stronger here, but by looking at the wicks you can tell with yes there was a strong participation in ama bulls, and we went all the way up guys. The market never looked back up until now. Can you see that? All right guys, so ningakhohlwa ke Bongani Zungu official 1 on TikTok, Bongani Zungu official 1 on Facebook. I don't have any other means of contact except these ones. Bese kuba ke ne WhatsApp yami guys. All the best. I hope i-question yenu ngikwazile ukuyi-answer. I hope so. But anyway, ngiyazi mos ningithola kuphi ngizomthinta, and uma ngabe kunesidingo sokucacisa even further ngiyokwenza kanjalo.